It's easy to get a six pack of abs if you know what you're doing. I'm telling you, all it takes is three things. And if you do them consistently enough, you will become healthy and even be jacked. Those three things are your diet, training, and lastly, good recovery. So, what I want you to do for your diet is consistently track your macros. Basically, your macros are your fats, your carbohydrates, and your protein of the day. I'm telling you, it's super simple. There's a bunch of apps that let you do this. But for our purposes, you don't need to be super exact. Even rough estimates of foods that you can't find the values for, just estimate them. What I want you to do with protein is get 0.7 grams per pound of your body weight every single day. So if you weigh around 100 pounds, I want you to get 70 grams of protein. Also, I want you to make sure you get enough fat intake and carb intake so you feel good and your hormones are really balanced. Based on if you're trying to gain weight, if you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to maintain weight, what I need you to do is search up a calorie macro calculator and put your weight and height and age, gender, whatever it asks you, and it'll give you maintenance calories that you need to survive every single day. If you're trying to gain weight, obviously eat more calories than that. If you're trying to lose weight, eat less. If you're trying to maintain, stay at that number. This is a very daunting task and it seems like it's super hard. So once you actually start doing this, you'll see how easy it actually is. It's not very hard. It takes like three minutes extra of the day. Like a lot of things you can search up on Google, like how much macros an egg has, like what are the protein, what are the calories, what are the fats in an egg. Now, in addition to your macronutrients, I need to worry about micronutrients and the rest of things your body needs to survive. So for micronutrients, I want you to get a multivitamin that consists of like, especially things like vitamin B12, vitamin D, stuff that people are usually deficient in. I also want you to get enough fiber. Make sure you're eating enough fruits and vegetables and anything with basically color, and like carrots, anything that's leafy green basically has enough micronutrients and also will give you fiber and also a good prebiotic for your gut because you want your gut health to be healthy. I'd say the way you guys should start is slowly incorporate each thing I just mentioned for a diet slowly, because if you just start everything, you're not going to want to do it. And I think if you spend like a week just specifying what foods you want to eat every single day and maybe even meal prepping, which is what I do, then this should be a piece of cake. You guys should be able to do this really easily. Secondly, training. So I think there's a few things that every person should do, and there's a few things that other people should do based on their goals. So if you're just trying to stay lean, stay fit, have good heart health, and just have longevity in life, then I think everyone should lift 3 to 5 times a week with heavy to moderate weight. Everyone should resistance train because the older you get, the more muscle you lose. Also, who doesn't want to get jacked? Who doesn't want abs? You also need to get your steps in. So make sure you're getting 10,000 steps in by walking. That could be on the treadmill. That could be day to day. Just check your phone. Like your phone has a health app. I think make sure you get the 10,000 steps a day. And the third thing I need you to do for your training is jog 1 to 2 days a week. This could be a long jog, a light jog. If you have 3 minutes in the day, go out for a run quickly. It basically is for your heart and lung health. If you want longevity in life and a good healthy life, then you're going to need obviously a good heart and good lungs. Lastly, good recovery. Now, this is the easiest part because I'm very lazy. I know a lot of people watching this are probably going to be lazy too. It's as simple as it sounds. So make sure you get good rest, good recovery. I need you to get at least 9 hours of sleep. And you need to sleep before the sun goes down and wake up early. Not this 12 p.m., 1 p.m. stuff. I'm a problem of it too. I add to this problem. I wake up really late as well. Slowly incorporate sleeping earlier and earlier. Maybe start training in the morning to push yourself to wake up in the morning. Do whatever means necessary, but just wake up earlier in the day. It'll be way better for your health. Do these 3 things every day for 3 months and come back to this video, and if you don't see progress, I'll do whatever the top comment says. I guess it's worth it in the end because getting healthy is one of the best feelings. Like your body, your mind, your soul just feel at ease and everything is effortless.